Good morning, dear students. Students, we are doing chapter triangles, and in today's session, I am going to discuss about the questions that are related to the Pythagoras theorem. So, students, in today's session, we will use the result of Pythagoras theorem. Let's start with the questions. Exercise 6.5, question number 8. In figure, O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to the AB. Show that AO square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equals to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Let's start the solution. Given is that triangle ABC and O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC where OD is perpendicular to BC and OE is perpendicular to AC and OF is perpendicular to AB. To prove the result, let's start the proof. Let us join the point O from A, B and C. After that, you observe three right angle triangles. You can see from the diagram here, I have shaded green, blue and orange right angle triangles. By using the Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equals to square of perpendicular plus square of base, we get the required result. So let's start by using this. In right triangle OAF, we are taking green triangle. In right triangle OAF, here hypotenuse is the OA and perpendicular is AF plus OF square is the base. Students, you can take OF perpendicular and AF base. Anyone is the perpendicular and you can select anyone of the base. So, but hypotenuse is fixed. Hypotenuse is OA. In right triangle ODB, that is the blue triangle. In this triangle, hypotenuse is OB and OD square plus BD square. Similarly, if we take the orange triangle, then we get the hypotenuse OC. So, square of OC is equals to OE square plus EC square. Now, adding these three steps, we get OA square, OB square plus OC square is equals to AF square, OF square plus OD square, BD square plus OE square, EC square. In this way, by comparing with the required result, we left AF, BD and EC square in the right hand side because we need to prove this result. Okay, compare with the right hand and left hand side. So in this way, we get the right hand side and move rest of the terms to the left hand side. In this way, we get OA square, OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. So this is the required result, hence proved. Second part is of the same question. Now we need to show that AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equals to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So let's start. Using Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equals to square of perpendicular plus square of base. In triangle ODB, OB square is equals to OD square plus BD square. OB is the hypotenuse and rest of the two sides will be taken as one as perpendicular and second is the base. In triangle OFB, suppose students, if we take this triangle OFB, in this triangle OB is the hypotenuse and OF square plus FB square are the perpendicular and base. Similarly, if we take triangle OFA, in this we have OA square is the hypotenuse and OF square plus AF square are the perpendicular and base. Now in triangle OEA, if we take this triangle OEA, we take here OA hypotenuse and is equals to OE square plus AE square. Fifth one is the in triangle OEC, this triangle. Here we have hypotenuse OC is equals to OE square plus C square. Last triangle we take triangle ODC. ODC, in this triangle we have OC hypotenuse and perpendicular is OD and base is DC. So students, in all the right angle triangles we have applied the result of Pythagoras theorem. In this way, left hand side, if we take the left hand side AF square plus BD square plus CE square, we can write AF as OA square minus OF square. You can use the result from the third equation. Okay, from third equation you can write OA square minus OF square. So in BD you can find BD in this. Here we have BD in the first one. So value of BD is OB square minus OD square. And third is the CE square. CE square is in the fifth equation and its value is OC square minus OE square. And students, from the right hand side, yes, you can see here AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Use the values AE, find AE in this we have in fourth equation. So put the value OA square minus OE square. And what about CD square? CD square is in the last equation. So we write OC minus OD. And here the third is the BF square. BF square is in the second equation. And we can write OB square minus OF square. So students, in this way we get left hand side, right hand side. We will solve these both the sides. OA square minus OF square plus OB square minus OD square, OC square minus OE square. Okay, and here OA square minus OE square, OC square minus OD square plus OB square minus OF square. In this way you can observe that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Next question is 9. This is very easy question. A ladder, you can see here a ladder 10-meter long reaches a window 8-meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Students, here we have a 10-meter ladder and a window 10-meter long ladder reaches a window of 8-meter and we need to find the base of the wall. So student, this is the question mark BC. Height of the window is AC. AC is 8-meter and length of the ladder is 10-meter. Distance of foot of ladder from wall, that is BC. Solution is, since the wall will be perpendicular to the ground, so angle ACB is 90 degree. Triangle ACB is right angle triangle. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equals to square of height plus square of base. Put these values. AB is the hypotenuse and perpendicular is AC and base is the BC. So 10 square of 10 is 100, square of 8 is 64. In this way we get BC square is equals to 36. We get answer BC is equals to plus minus 6 meter. But students, base can never be negative, so we neglect the negative value. We get BC is equals to 6 meter. So students, this is important question. So in today's session we have discussed the questions that use the result of Pythagoras theorem. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.